So yesterday we learned a lot about ordinal numbers. We learned a lot about putting things in order. So I'm going to show you some of the things that we worked on yesterday, right? We had a line. We had a line of things and we put them in order. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth, right? So we had like a square. We had a speech bubble, but I'm just going to draw a circle. We had an ear. I'm not going to draw the best ear. We had a book. We had a pencil. I'm just going to draw a little tiny pencil. And then we had a triangle. So this is a quick sketch of the things that we had yesterday, right? Oh, I'm missing some eyeballs. And remember, our square was first. Our speech bubble was second. Our ear was third. I'm going to show you guys all of these. Our book was fourth. Our pencil was fifth. And our triangle was sixth. Give me a thumbs up if you remember doing this work yesterday. Yeah. And today, yesterday you also learned about the words that go along with each one when you were working on your ice cream cones. So there are words that go along with first, second, third, but when we write first, I'm going to give you the number and the word. Everybody look, pay super close attention. I'm still missing some eyes. First in line is the same as writing the whole word out. Somebody just came up with an abbreviation for us to be able to write it a little bit quicker with the number 1 and the ST from the end of the word. So these two things mean the same. First and first mean the same, even if you spell the whole word out, even if you have the number. Just like, I'm going to give you a tricky one from yesterday. 10th. If there is someone 10th in line, this is what it would look like. It could look like this, or it could look like the word. And remember that TH comes from the last part of our word. And do you see the first part, 10? 10th. That's how we get that word. But today, you're going to be going all the way up to 20th. You're going to be going all the way up to 20th. So think about our line at school, right? There are 23 of us. So we have a person in line in every single place. We have a person in first, and we have a person in 23rd, because we have 23 places in line. So today, I'm going to show you, so you don't need to get your packet right now, but I would love it. Oh my gosh, Castiel, I'm so impressed with your eye contact. Thank you so much, Castiel. That's amazing. Rory, check your microphone, please. Thank you. You have one kind of big activity to do today, okay? One big kind of game, which I'm really excited for you to play. This is what you're going to turn into Miss Strohmeyer. Everybody see this? Giovanni Pinciati, you see it? Reese, I really appreciate your eye contact as well. Tiana, do you have a question about this before we move on? Okay, we're going to keep going with this, and we're going to get questions at the very end, okay? This is the part that you're going to turn in. This is like one of the most important pieces. The piece on the very next page, you get to look through a whole bunch of emojis, okay? You have a few pages of emojis, so you have 1 page, you have 2 page, you have 3 pages of emojis, okay? And there's 20 of them. And you're going to put them in order like on the last page. There's already an order for you, okay? So what you can do with all of those big emoji cards, with these big emoji cards, you can cut them out if you want to. You don't have to. It would make it more of a game if you did cut them out. You also can rip off this back page where it has them all in line. And what you're going to do is if you cut them apart, there's already an example done for you, but I'll show you another one. Oh, Castiel and Reese and Rory and Dylan, thank you for your attention. if you cut this one out and you flip them all over and you pick this one, okay? This T matches the T that's back on the first page. So that T matches this box right here, okay? And everybody take a good look at this emoji, the one that is in the T box, the one that's in the T box. What you're gonna do is when you look for this one, you're gonna look for him on our emoji line. And when you find him, oh, Giovanni Pinciotti, turn your microphone off, please. When you find him, thank you, Giovanni. When you find him on our emoji line, you're gonna count and see what place he's in. He'll be in 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, or 20th place. We have lots of different places. And then you'll go back to that first page and say T is the first one in line. Then you'll write first in this box, just like the example I did for you. Okay? So you can cut out all of your big emoji cards. You can flip them over. And you can mix them all up. Mix, mix, mix. And then you can draw one. Find that one on the line, and then you'll go back here on your recording sheet and you'll write the order it is in line. It's a lot of directions, but guess what? Those directions are also written right here for your grown-up to help you as well, okay? I think you guys are gonna enjoy playing that game today. Give me a thumbs up if you've got it. Give me a thumbs up if you have an idea of what you're gonna be doing today. You're going to be practicing that. You also have, thanks Castiel, you also have a Jack Hartman video for you to listen to. And he goes through all of the ordinal numbers. He goes through the order. He goes through 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and all of those for you guys to follow along with Jack Hartman. Now, I haven't been able to find a game, but I'm going to look for one. So check back on the schedule in maybe 20 minutes or in maybe 30 minutes. And there might also be a game for you to play online with your ordinal numbers, okay? I'm going to try to find one for you. I just haven't been able to find one yet. And I think I'm going to go ask one of the other teachers if they have one. So that's your math for today.